Scott McCauley here, Hometown Radio Sports Director. What you're about to witness is an athletic office event known as the Stapler Chase. The object is to steal a working stapler from an unsuspecting co-worker, raise it to a designated place, and then hand off the stapler to a second co-worker. All before the stapler owner can get it back. And oh, it must involve some water. It goes something like this.
If you missed that, here it is in slow motion.
And that's how you do Odd Year Office Olympics. See if you can't get your business to pass the torch.